Hello, everybody. This is Steve from GhosTrades. Welcome to our market update slash forecast slash what's going to happen this week program for March 10th through the 14th and the first week in daylight savings this year. Anyway, the market, as we all know, has really been struggling lately. Friday, however, Powell spoke, and were his words long-term calming effect? Maybe. They certainly had a short-term calming effect. The market turned around. It looked like another sell-off, just like almost every day for the past couple of weeks. And it bottomed, and it went up the rest of the day, and we finished quite strongly. However, the last couple of weeks, we have still struggled. We were at a high of about 61.42. And then we went all the way down to 57.36. And then we closed for the week at 57.70. So we came up about 35 points off the low, which isn't setting any records, but compared to what we had been doing, it was a welcome relief rally on Friday afternoon. So where do we go from here? Well, that's the million-dollar question. I'm not sure. However, I think we'll find out Monday. If the market continues to climb Monday, then maybe the worst is behind us and it was just a correction, like we've seen many times since I've been in the market. And we were in correction territory, and several stocks still are in correction territory. If, however, the market gets weaker again, then we might still be in trouble. And we may stay in correction mode for quite a while. And if it gets worse than that, we go into bear market territory. We have not had a bear market for a couple of years. That's always on the table with the craziness that's going on in Washington, because it doesn't matter if you're a supporter of the current administration or not. What is happening has really shaken things up, and Wall Street isn't exactly sure what to do. The volatility has been as high as I ever remember it for the past month since the last time Powell spoke. And it really has, like I said, made rallies disappear quickly. And we're definitely in a sell into the strength type of sell rally mode as we go down. Okay. So what's going to happen this week? Well, first off, on Tuesday, we don't have any big economic news tomorrow. And that's good, because what the market does will be on its own. It will not be economic news driven. It might be headline news driven. We'll have to wait and see. But on Tuesday, we have the JOLTS job openings, and that could move the market because our unemployment figure ticked up last week to 4.1 unemployment. The job creation numbers have been sliding for the past couple of months. And so it will be very interesting Tuesday to see what is happening with job creation. Wednesday, we have the consumer price index, which basically says how much is inflation hitting our wallets, what we are spending money on. It can be a very challenging number, and if it comes in hotter than expected, expect for the market to sell off quickly and harshly. And then on Thursday, we have the PPI number, which is producer price index, and that's how much it costs to make the things. It doesn't usually get as affected as much as the CPI, which is the big number for the week. And then on Friday, we have a market sentiment number. So Wednesday and Thursday are the big numbers, the CPI and the PPI. Earnings are coming to tapering off, but we still do have a few this week. We have Oracle, we have Dix, we have Adobe, we have DocuSign, we have Ulta Cosmetics. So we do have a few earnings plays that really could move individual equities, which might affect industries as well. So right now, I'm not comfortable saying that I'm bullish. Okay. I hope that what Powell said does have a lasting effect. I am not convinced that it does. We are stuck deep. The tariffs are grabbing the headlines for sure. But I think what is much worse than the tariffs are the layoffs in the government sector and affiliated industries from the USAID and all of the corresponding companies. And if government contracts get canceled, we're going to have a flood of unemployed people coming onto the market looking for jobs. So expect unemployment claims to go through the roof over the next month. Now, we won't see the fastest people are the people that took those buyouts because they have a severance package. But if you didn't take the buyout and they eliminate your position anyway, you're unemployed. And so over the next probably 3 to 4 weeks, I expect to see the initial unemployment claims tick higher. They're every Thursday, as you know. So we'll see what happens on Thursday. And then a month from now, it will be very interesting to see if we've gone from 4.1 to 4.2, 4.3, 4.5. Who knows what our unemployment figure is going to be? It's going to be very scary. As we all know, or a lot of us know, the unemployment figure really is higher than 4.1. If people give up and quit looking for work and accept the fact that they're going to have to retire or do their own thing, then they don't show up in those statistics. So 4.1 sounds good, but with what's happening in our economy, it's not good. So I'm concerned about the unemployment figure. I'm concerned about layoffs. And I'm concerned about next quarter's earnings because we have quit spending money as a country. Our cash outlay, our boom times have plummeted because of what is happening in Washington and with the job numbers. And I think it could really get scary here. So my advice is to be very, very careful. Do not be as aggressive in any purchases anytime soon until we see what's happening. But come and join us. We'll hold your hand. We'll guide you. Anything we talk about, we put real money in, so you can know we put our money where our mouth is. So have a great day, great night, and we will start the week Monday morning. Thank you.